Today is Saturday, May 24th, and today I learned that change is good. Changing your routines or just like change in what you are currently doing, right? There were two examples of this. The first thing, like, there's just a change in routine that I just didn't like because it was different from what I've always done, and I didn't have the freedom or maybe I guess freedom and agency to do what I want within the routine, but ultimately it's going to be beneficial, right? And the second example is that just change in what you are currently doing. Change in what you are currently doing. So like today I was being super lazy, and I knew I really wanted to make some summer plans and like do some YouTube stuff, but it was just really hard to like overcome that hump because it was a change from what I was doing, which was just like being lazy or whatever. But change is uncomfortable, but it's often good, right? And necessary, right? We can't just live our lives the exact same the whole time. We're gonna get older, we're gonna start new things, we're gonna do new things, there'll be more opportunities. Change is inevitable and oftentimes good, even though it is scary and uncomfortable. So you have to, I think, getting comfortable with change and realizing like its importance, especially like depending on whatever the situation is, right? Like, why is this change better for me than not changing? Right? I actually remember doing this in my English class. We would have like the status quo versus like the proposal, right? So like, how does the status quo affect you versus the proposal? How does that affect you? So in the same way, like, how does what you're doing right now affect you, and how does that change affect you in a positive or negative way? If it's a negative change, then don't do it. But a lot of times the change that is uncomfortable is probably better for you. So you need to get comfortable with that. You need to realize its importance, and you need to, even though it's uncomfortable, you'll come out better on the other side, even though the process of going through it is uncomfortable. So yeah, that is what I learned today. I know it's a short one, but I have to be quick. If you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. This is a video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner. And if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.